Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. And we are going to start a new topic, frustum of a cone. Already this topic has been deleted. लेकिन ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो बाकी कुछ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, NTSC एग्जाम वगैरह, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा ये टॉपिक पढ़ लो. Few questions are there, only 5 questions are there in the next exercise. Let us complete those 5 questions and we'll start the miscellaneous optional exercise. Okay, so frustum of cone. अगर हम लोग cone को कट करते हैं, if a cone is cut by a parallel plane parallel to the base, okay, then portion between the plane and the base is called frustum of cone. See this figure. If we cut from here, अगर यहाँ से हम लोग कट कर रहे हैं, the plane parallel to the base, these two are parallel, उसको फिर अलग कर लो. So this part we are getting two parts. एक तो ऊपर वाला जो part है that will be in the shape of cone, छोटा cone बोल सकते हैं, and the lower part, the part between the plane and the base is called frustum of cone. Okay. हम लोग जो डेली लाइफ में जो फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन देखते हैं उसमें सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल है ग्लास. तो ग्लास का जो शेप होता है वो फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन का शेप होता है. ओके, सो इसमें भी 3 फार्मूला है. सो लेट अस study, let us go through each formula. I am not going to derive all the formula because there is one question in optional exercise to derive the formula, as this topic has been already deleted for this academic year. इसलिए फार्मूला पढ़ के हम लोग क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये मान लो दिस इज द फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन एंड लेट द हाइट ऑफ दिस फ्रस्टम इज h and the radius of the bottom, the base is capital R and the top is small r, and this is the slant height of the frustum of cone. Okay, so first, curved surface area of frustum. Curved surface or lateral surface area of frustum of cone, it is given by this formula pi L into capital R plus small r, where L square is equals to h square plus capital R minus small r whole square, unit square units. So this formula you have to remember. अगर जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स वगैरह जो फेस कर रहे हैं उनके लिए बोल रहा हूँ, बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है इस टाइप के द क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. नेक्स्ट इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. सो CSA प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ बेस हियर?
Sir, pi capital R square.
Very good. What is the area of top? This one?
Sir, pi R square.
Small r square.
Right. And lateral surface area already we have seen here. So we will substitute all this formula. Then we'll get this is the final formula. We can take pi common. So pi into capital R square plus small r square plus L into capital R plus small r. Volume. The formula of volume is pi h upon 3 capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r, cubic units. So all these 3 formulas you have to remember to solve the questions based on frustum of cone. Okay, so let us start the exercise. First question. A drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of cone of height 14 centimeter. And the diameter of 2 circular ends are 4 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. Capacity means what you have to find?
Volume.
Right. Very good. Volume. So एक rough diagram बना रहा हूँ मैं. So this is the shape of glass, and this is the bottom, and this is the upper part. Okay. And we have to find the volume. So volume के लिए हम लोग के पास h already है, and the diameter is given bottom 2 centimeter, तो ये 1 centimeter हो जाएगा radius. Here the diameter is 4 centimeter, so radius will be 2 centimeter. So radius of upper end is 4 by 2, 2 centimeter, and radius of lower end is 2 by 2, 1 centimeter, and the height of the glass is given 14 centimeter. And the glass is in the shape of frustum of cone, so capacity of the glass will be equals to volume of frustum, that is pi h upon 3 capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. So we'll substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. capital R is 2 and small r is 1, and capital R into small r 2 into 1 into 14. Okay, capital R square 4 हो जाएगा, 1 square 1 होगा, and 2 into 1 will become 1. So यहाँ पे जो कैंसिल हो रहा है उसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग, राइट. सो इसको यहाँ पे 7 2 कैंसिल कर दिए. So we'll get 44 by 3 into 4 plus 1 plus 2. This will become 7. So 44 into 7 is 308 upon 3, and final answer is 102.67. और ये शायद पीछे आंसर में एनसीईआरटी में 102 2 by 3 दिया हुआ है मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में. So hence the capacity of the glass is 102.67 centimeter cube. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, next question. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter, and the perimeters means circumference of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum of cone. So see this rough figure. यहाँ पे slant height दिया हुआ frustum of cone का, और इसका पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है, सर्कमफरेंस दिया हुआ है, और इसका सर्कमफरेंस दिया हुआ है. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ दिस वन?
2 pi capital R.
Right, 2 pi capital R. Very good. That is equals to 18, and this is 2 pi small r. Okay, so we'll start with, let capital R and small r be the radius of upper and lower end of frustum, and slant height of the frustum is given 4 centimeter. Now circumference of upper end is equals to 18 centimeter, and this is equals to 2 pi capital R is equals to 18. So capital R will be equals to 9 by pi, क्योंकि ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, and we'll get 9 here. So we'll get 9 upon pi centimeter. Now circumference of lower end is 6 centimeter. So this will imply 2 pi small r is equals to 6 centimeter. तो यहाँ पर भी ये cancel हो जाएगा 3 से. So small r मिलेगा 3 upon pi centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the curved surface area of frustum. So curved surface area of frustum का फॉर्मूला होता है pi l into capital R plus small r. Okay, pi l into capital R plus small r. So we'll substitute capital R and small r, that is 9 by pi and 3 by pi. The value of l is slant height, that is 4 centimeter. Substitute कर दिए. So यहाँ पे कितना मिलेगा if you add this to?
12 by pi.
Right, 12 by pi. तो ये pi और pi cancel हो जाएगा, and the final answer is
48.
right, 48 centimeter square. Hence the curved surface area of the frustum is equals to 48 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now we'll move toward the next question. A fez, the cap used by turkeys, is shaped like the frustum of a cone. ये cap जो देख रहे हैं ना, if its radius on open side, this radius यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखें तो एक ओपन साइड है यहाँ पे, एंड द रेडियस यहाँ पे कैपिटल R ले रहा हूँ मैं, this is 10 centimeter, and the radius at upper base, so this radius small r, this is equals to 4 centimeter, and its slant height is 15 centimeter. Find the area of the material used for making it. तो यहाँ पे इसका जो CS है वो लेना पड़ेगा, और एरिया ऑफ टॉप, एरिया ऑफ बॉटम छोड़ना पड़ेगा. क्यों? Why we have to leave the area of bottom here?
Because it is open faced.
Right,
Because
very
it is-
good. Because it is open, and we will not require any material for that part. Right. So radius of lower end, that is this one, capital R 10 centimeter, and the upper end 4 centimeter, and the slant height is given 15 centimeter, and the area of material used to make the fez is CSA of frustum, and area of upper circular end. What is the area of upper circular end?
pi small r
pi
square.
small r
Right.
square.
And CSA का formula है pi L into capital R plus small r. Okay. Now we can substitute directly here. यहाँ पे 10 plus 4 14 into 15 हो जाएगा ये, and here 4 square. So pi 14 into 15 16 pi. So 15 into 14 होगा 210 plus 16. Finally we got 226 pi. उसके बाद pi का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Then find the final answer. We'll get 710 2 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Otherwise you can write in decimal also, but in our NCERT the answer is given in mixed fraction. 710 2 by 7. Hence the area of the material used to make it is 710 2 by 7 centimeter square. Any doubt in this third question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards fourth question. Now this was very important question, was बोला हूँ मैं last year, here before last year also, but now the topic has been deleted. Okay, fourth question. A container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Lower end छोटा है, upper end बड़ा है, ऊपर वाला. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also, find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if it costs rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. Take pi is equals to 3.14. So this is the rough figure. Lower part is 8 centimeter, correct only. This is lower part and this is upper part. One more question is there. The reverse figure is there. Find the cost of the milk means which can completely fill the container means we have to find volume per liter. यहाँ पे liter दिया हुआ है, liter का rate दिया हुआ है. That means we have to find the volume of the container. And as this is in the shape of frustum, and we have to find the volume of frustum of cone. Okay, so let us start. Radius of the upper end is 20 centimeter and radius of lower end is 8 centimeter and the height is given 16 centimeter and slant height we have to find. Why we have to find slant height? Because in the next bit we have to find the cost of metal sheet used and cost के लिए हम लोग को CSA निकालना पड़ेगा. CSA और area of bottom. Open वाला नहीं निकालेंगे क्योंकि ये top में खुला रहता है. Open up from the top it is given. So for CSA we required slant height. Then the formula for finding the slant height for frustum of cone is root over h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. Okay, and we'll substitute the value of h, capital R and small r. So 16 square plus 20 minus 8 whole square. This will be 256. And what is the value of this?
144.
Yes, 144. So if you add these two, you will get 400. So what is the square root of 400?
20 centimeter.
Right. So 20 centimeter we got slant height. Okay. Now capacity. The formula pi h upon 3. Pi h upon 3 capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. So substitute all the values. So ये 1/3 into pi का value substitute किए. This is the value of h, capital R square, small r square, capital R into small r. Okay. So ये 400 हो जाएगा. This will become 64 and this will become 160. Okay. If you add all this, what you will get? 624. अब ये पूरा हम लोग ये तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 3 से कैंसिल हो रहा है. So 208. Now if you multiply these three, we will get 10,449.92 centimeter cube. Now the rate is given in liter, so we have to convert this into liter. So liter में convert करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you have to do?
1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा.
Very good. We have to divide it by 1000. Why? Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So decimal point यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 3. यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3. So 3 0 है तो 3 point यहाँ पर शिफ्ट करेंगे. So 10.45 will take approximately. And the cost of 1 liter is given rupees 20. So the total cost of milk will be 20 into 10.45. And the answer is 209. Okay, so this is the total cost of milk. Now we are going to find the total cost of the metal sheet. उसके लिए हम लोग को total area of the sheet निकालना पड़ेगा. Now area of the metal sheet used to make the container, CSA plus area of base, and CSA of frustum is pi L into capital R plus small r, and area of base is pi small r square. Okay, and pi into will substitute the value of capital R and small r, that is 20 plus 8, and L is 20, and pi into 8 square. So ये हो जाएगा 28 into 20. So 560 pi plus 64 pi. So 624 pi. Now substitute the value of pi. We will substitute later. Cost of 100 centimeter square is given rupees 8. So cost of 624 pi centimeter square metal sheet will be equals to 624 into pi into 8 upon 100. Whether this is clear? 624 pi into 8 upon 100. अब ये तीनों मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड बाय 80 करेंगे हम लोग, 100 करेंगे. ये तीनों डिवाइड करके 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो विल गेट डेसिमल पॉइंट हियर. सो 156.75 we can write approximately. Hence the total cost of the milk is 209 rupees and total cost of the sheet used is equals to rupees 156.75. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the fifth question. This is the last question of the exercise. A metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is 60 degree is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by playing parallel to its base. कोन को exactly middle में से कट कर दिए तो ऊपर एक कोन मिलेगा और नीचे फ्रस्टम मिलेगा. So नीचे जो फ्रस्टम मिल रहा है, the frustum what we are going to obtain is drawn into wire of diameter 1/16 centimeter. Now what is the shape of wire?
Cylindrical.
Okay, so the shape of wire is cylindrical. Okay, cylindrical shape होता है wire का. So frustum को हम लोग cylinder में convert कर रहे हैं. So volume of frustum will be equals to volume of wire. That you have to keep in your mind. See this figure. This is the cone and we are going to cut the cone from the middle. या बीच में से कट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो टोटल हाइट इसका 20 है और मिडिल में से कट कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर का हाइट 10 होगा और नीचे का भी हाइट 10 होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग थोड़ा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करेंगे और सेंट्रल एंगल जो दिया हुआ 60 डिग्री और व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर इट विल बाइसेक्ट द वर्टिकल एंगल आल्सो. सो 30 डिग्री हो जाएगा. नाउ सिंस द वर्टिकल एंगल ऑफ द कोन इज 60 degree, so these two angles will be equals to 30 degree. And let capital R and small r be the radii of the frustum. And in this triangle OEB, tan 30 degree is equals to tan 30 होता है for opposite upon adjacent. So इसका opposite है BE और adjacent है OE. And what is the length of BE? Small r. And what is the length OE? 10. And what is the value of tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Okay, 1 by root 3 is equals to small r upon 10. So r will be equals to 10 by root 3. So इसको ऐसे रखेंगे. Now we will find tan 30 degree in full triangle. ध्यान से देखो OFD, tan 30 होगा FD upon OF. So FD का वैल्यू है कैपिटल R और OF है 20. सो कैपिटल R अपॉन 20 और 20 को उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो कैपिटल R मिल जाएगा. So we got the radius of bottom and radius of top of frustum. Okay, now what is the volume of frustum of cone? Pi h upon pi h upon 3 capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. Now we'll substitute the value, all the values in this formula. Pi का value 22 by 7 into 10 by 3. Okay, this is height of frustum. By 3 already 3 है, and capital R is 20 upon root 3 and small r 10 upon root 3 and 20 upon root 3 into 10 upon root 3. So if you square, what you will get here?
400 by
400 by 3.
Right.
400 by
And what you will get here?
100 by 3.
Right. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा?
200 by
200 by
Right.
3.
So
200.
we'll get 400 by 3, 100 by 3, 200 by 3. तो सबका denominator same है. So we'll add this one. So we'll get 700. Okay. So 700 upon 3. इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे अभी. इन दोनों को इंटू कर देंगे, ये दोनों को बस. 20 by 7 को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि this is the value of pi. Otherwise you can write pi only. 25 by 22 by 7 ना लिख के pi लिखो क्योंकि this will be cancelled with the volume of 1 pi involved in volume of wire. Otherwise if you are writing 22 by 7 also, you can directly cancel with 22 by 7 in wire. Okay, now the frustum is made into a wire which is in the shape of a cylinder having diameter 1 upon 16. So what is the radius of wire?
1 by 32.
Right. So radius of the wire will be 1 upon 32 centimeter. Now let capital H be the height of the cylinder form, that is wire. So on recasting, volume of frustum will be equals to volume of cylinder. So volume of frustum already we got 22 by 7 into 7000 upon 9, and volume of cylindrical wire is pi r1 square into h, capital H. Okay. So अब देखो ये दोनों मैं यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं वही बोल रहा था कि यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग शुरू से पाई लिखते तो ये डायरेक्ट पाई से भी कैंसिल कर सकते थे. Okay, anyhow, now the capital H will be equals to 7000 into 32 into 32 upon 9. Okay, ये पूरा अगर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हम लोग को कुछ ये वाला वैल्यू मिलेगा 7,96,444.44. If you want to convert it into meter, then divide it by 100. So we'll get 7,964.44 meter approximately. Hence, the length of the cylindrical wire capital H is equals to 7,964.44. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
no sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So assignment questions, only 3 questions are there. You have to complete all these 3 questions. And that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.